front of me is Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, just reach settings, then find and select passwords and security, and click on the fingerprint unlock. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. Let me choose pattern, and then you need to be aware that if you forget your pattern, your pin code or password, whatever you set, you will have to erase all data on your device. So just click on got it, then provide the pattern that you would like to have, then re-enter it just to confirm and tap on confirm. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. Here's the sensor, so just tap on power button to add your fingerprint. And just few more touches. And that's it. Here you can rename your fingerprint. Tap on confirmation mark, save it by tapping on done, and that's it. From now on you can smoothly unlock your device with your fingerprint, or obviously with this backup pattern. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.